Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about a common Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC. Today the code I'll be talking about is P0456. If you haven't stopped by a store for a free O'Reilly VeriScan diagnostic test, it's a simple way to get a full readout and recommendations that could help with diagnosis and repair. Technically speaking, OBD-II fault code P0456 means Evaporative Emission System leak detected, but refers to only a very small leak in the emission system. A large leak would be indicated by code P0455. Practically speaking, this means that somewhere between your gas cap and your engine, a small amount of fuel vapor is escaping. The Evaporative Emissions, or EVAP system, pressurizes the fuel tank and lines regularly to test for leaks, and if pressure loss is detected, you may experience this code. The common causes for this code are a leaky EVAP system hose, an issue with the purge valve or vent valve, or a gas cap that's loose or not sealing as it should. In fact, it's always a good idea to start by making sure your gas cap is secure and sealing properly. Many gas caps are designed to click several times when they're fully tightened, so remove your fuel cap, inspect it for signs of damage, and tighten it back fully before continuing any further diagnosis. The only symptom you may experience with this code is a check engine light, as a small EVAP leak is not typically enough to cause noticeable performance issues. It is okay to drive, but it's important to have it diagnosed professionally or make any necessary repairs as soon as possible. Since the cause of this code can vary from one vehicle to the next, we recommend starting with an O'Reilly VeriScan report if you haven't already. If you're not sure where to start on this repair, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop in your area to help you determine which of the possible issues have caused the code or codes and what your course of action should be. If the necessary repair is one you think you can do yourself, we can get you the parts and supplies you need to get it done right. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.